Hey, what's up guys? This is Greg with ASUS. We are at Siggraph 2019 in Los Angeles, and this event is all about high-end computer graphics. So of course, we had to bring our ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo here. Now we're at the video editing station to show off how well you can edit video on the Zenbook Pro Duo. Now the first thing you'll notice about this laptop is its dual screen configuration. The display on top is a 3840 by 2160 4K OLED display, and the secondary display is also 3840 wide and 1100 tall, so it's like a half 4K display on there. Now another thing I want to mention about the main display on this system is it's HDR compatible and covers 100% of DCI-P3 color space. So if you're going to be getting into an HDR workflow, this would be a great choice. Now both of these displays are also actually touchscreen. So you can see here, we can pause the video, and if we want, we can scrub through here on the timeline. Now if you don't want to use your fingers to interact with the display, it also comes with the ASUS Pen. It gives you a much more accurate way to interact with the touchscreen. Now powering the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo is up to an Intel Core i9-9980HK, which is pretty nuts by itself, but it's also got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 and up to 32 gigabytes of RAM. So this would be a great workstation if you don't need Xeon CPU or Quadro graphics. Now the demo that we're running here is Adobe Premiere Pro. We're just playing through a timeline with some 4K video files with some little bit of transitions on different layers. And what we have here is a comparison between hardware accelerated rendering through our GPU and CPU only. So over here, you can see there's 0 drop frames playing completely smooth. Over here, we've got CPU only. Let's just play that. And we've got a bit of drop frames. So if you're editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, you definitely want to be using latest generation RTX graphics to help with your rendering using all those CUDA cores. So if you guys have any questions about the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo, please visit our website. And thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more coverage of Siggraph 2019.